Hello dear students, today I am taking the first lesson of geography and the name of that chapter is The Earth in the Solar System. Now let's start the chapter. So children, have you ever gazed up at the sky at night and wondered about the twinkling stars above, how far they are and big they are, what lies beyond them, etc., etc. We have seen a lot of stars in the sky. So, a question is arises in our mind that what exactly a star is? A star is basically nothing but a celestial body. Now, students, let us study about the stars, like what is a star, how it is formed. So, please focus on it properly. So first question is that what is star? Huge balls of glowing gas in the sky is called a star. And how it is formed? Stars are formed from the clouds of gas and dust. Also they have their own heat and light. Next one, they are very big in size and also very hot. Why they appear very small? Who? Stars. So they appear very small because they are very far away from us. Children, sometimes when you see in the sky at night, there are some patterns formed by the stars. Have you ever thought what they are? Yes, they are constellation. Now the question arises, what are constellations? So the answer is that the group of stars which forms various patterns are called constellations. They can be seen only during the night. As they have a definite shape, they have acquired different names. It means different shapes having different names. There are around 88 known constellations. Some of them are as follows. First one, Ursa Major. It is also known as Big or Great Bear. Ursa Minor. It is also known as Small Bear. Pegasus, Scorpius, Cassiopeia, Orion. Orion is also known as Hunter because it appears like a hunter. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is Ursa Major, which we call it Saptarishi Mandal. It is a group of 7 stars and can be seen in the northern sky. We can locate the position of the pole star also called North Star as it indicates the north direction with the help of Saptarishi. As you can see in the picture, the North Star in the Saptarishi indicates North Pole. It is also known as Pole Star and in Hindi it is called Dhruv Tara. The North Star indicates the north direction with the help of Saptarishi Mandal. Next one, in ancient times, people used to determine directions during night with the help of stars. You know, children, it was easy for the people to determine directions during daytime in olden days. Then, what about night? They determined directions with the help of stars during night. One of the example of the constellation is Orion. It resembles the shape of a hunter. It is visible in the winter season. As you know that there are millions of stars in the universe. So in this topic we will read about galaxy. Now what is galaxy? Galaxy is a cluster of millions of stars and the clouds of dust and gases. They consist various celestial bodies. The word galaxy has been taken from the Greek word galaxias, which means milky. Galaxies are held together by gravity, much the same way that our solar system is held together by the sun's gravity. Now, the next one, the bright bands like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night is known as Milky Way galaxy or Akashganga. It means the river of light. It is the home of our solar system as well as our earth.